Aloha, Kauai. Here's our daily COVID-19 briefing from Team Kauai for Thursday, April 30th. Our cumulative number of confirmed cases remains at 21. As we announced yesterday, our one active case was released from the hospital earlier this week and is now recovering from COVID-19. This means we have no active cases of COVID-19 on Kauai at this time, and all positive cases have either recovered or returned home on the mainland. Kauai's tally of cases and other information on COVID-19 can be found on the Kauai Emergency Management Agency or KEMA site at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. To view the total number of positive cases across the state, please visit hawaiicovid19.com. The daily count on this site is updated at noon every day. As we phase in the reopening of our economy, we want to emphasize that the risk of spreading COVID-19 still remains, especially since bringing people back to work requires movement. So the role of the county is to continue to think out-of-the-box solutions to help reduce risk where we can. As the second largest employer on our island, our county government also needs to look internally for these creative solutions. We know that many of the county services are public-facing. We also know that our county operations lead to an increase in vehicular travel during peak travel hours when our associates commute to and from work. So one of the ways that we can help to balance the movement and reduce the number of times our associates need to leave home is to move to a 4-day work week. Starting Monday, May 4th, many county offices will move to a 4-day, 10-hour-day work week. This means most public-facing county offices will be closed every Friday and open from 6:45 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Monday through Thursday. We want to be clear that our associates are not being furloughed and their pay will not be reduced in any way, as they will continue to be working their full 40 hours a week. This 4-day-a-week, 10-hour-day schedule is simply to help us find creative ways to continue to reduce movement on our island while continuing to operate at full capacity. Again, this new schedule means that starting Monday, May 4th, most county offices will be open on Monday through Thursday from 6:45 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. and will be closed every Friday. This is a temporary adjustment during this emergency period and will end whenever the disaster proclamation ends or when school resumes, whichever comes first. Of the close to 400 white-collar associates impacted, this 4-day work week will reduce the amount of commutes by 20%. This move is a sacrifice for some of our associates given their personal circumstances, and we acknowledge that. For those employees, we are prepared to provide flexibility to help minimize any hardships. We also recognize that this may impact some of the ways you interface with the county. However, we know that our targeted actions adds up to a larger impact in our ability to reduce the risk of COVID-19. As we continue to restore our counter services in the coming weeks, we will provide more detailed information on our operations. Certain county services like construction inspection will remain available by request on Fridays. We would urge you to continue checking with the individual county departments to get the latest operational plan. But for now, starting Monday, anticipate the extended hours of county offices to be from 6:45 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Monday through Thursdays and closed every Friday. Once again, this is a temporary adjustment during this emergency period, and we will resume our standard operations either when the disaster proclamation ends or when school resumes, whichever comes first. I want to take this opportunity to personally thank each and every one of our county associates for continuing to show up for our community throughout this disaster. Also beginning Saturday, May 2nd, the Wailoa Golf Course will resume operations with specific social distancing and other requirements in place to help ensure safety. Additionally, private golf courses are expected to resume soon. It is imperative that as we resume activities such as golf, that we fully participate in the new requirements and exercise self-discipline. Remember, for now, golf is for exercise, not for hanging in the parking lot and cruising after the round. So please, golfers, take this safety requirement seriously. Also, as a reminder, all construction activities, commercial and residential, can resume on island to the extent allowed by the governor's proclamation on Sunday, provided social distancing requirements are followed. The inability of self-employed individuals to obtain unemployment assistance has been a point of frustration for many. We are pleased that Governor Ige announced yesterday that the state is launching a new website tailored to self-employed, gig workers, and independent contractors to receive unemployment assistance. If you fall into this category, please visit pua.hawaii.gov. The State Department of Labor and Industrial Relations, or DLIR, will be accepting pre-applications through this website. Again, that is pua.hawaii.gov. For the past 5 weeks, the county has partnered with various community organizations to help with smaller, targeted food distribution programs, such as the Kupuna Care Produce Delivery Program and the Eolamau program to deliver fresh fish on the west side. Moving forward, starting May 9th, the county is partnering with the Kauai Independent Food Bank and the Hawaii Food Bank Kauai chapter to do a mass food distribution program every Saturday for members of the public who are experiencing hardship due to COVID-19. We will provide additional details on this program in the coming days. We're going to get there, Kauai. In order to continue making forward progress, we must continue to be diligent and careful in masking, in our personal hygiene, and in how we interact with one another. That means stay home as much as possible. Refrain from social gatherings or public outings. If you must interact with people outside of your home, maintain a distance of 6 feet of separation and wear a mask. Do not leave home if you are sick unless you're seeking medical attention, and then only after calling your doctor first. Wash your hands frequently and clean surfaces often. We're going to get through this, Kauai. Stay informed and connected during this time of social distancing. We'll continue to post updates on our official County of Kauai Facebook page or on our Kauai Emergency Management Agency page at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. The Centers for Disease Control is also updating its website regularly. For more information, please visit coronavirus.gov. Not everyone has internet access or follows the news, so please help to keep your loved ones informed. Kauai, we can do this. Hang in there and take care of one another. God bless and aloha.